Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't posted in a while. A lot of things have been going on and I've been lazy. And this is my friend Ashley, my very good friend Ashley. I'm actually one of your what? Your mate?
She's my matron of honor at my wedding.
You know what I mean. So yeah, she's one of my very good friends. Also my co-worker. And this is Aubrey Callback, a famous YouTuber.
Say what's up.
Hey, what's up, you guys? So today we're trying out a little mukbang.
First time mukbang.
we always say we're doing it when at work, but we're not. So she got noodles with
spicy noodles.
Without the spice.
But I had the spice here because I can't handle the heat.
For real though. And I got some Panera because I'm trying to be healthy. Trying.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna add a little spice to it because, you know, we'll see how it goes from there.
I got a Southwest salad with some mac and cheese for the chini, with some potato chips. We got a kid-sized juice because I'm a kid. And
I'm a kid.
You're a kid. And some water and
Oh, my mouth is gonna be on fire.
your juice.
Mine too.
Oh my god. So I have 4 packets of the noodles here. It doesn't.
That's 4?
Yeah, it doesn't look like it, but the packets are small. So yeah.
Pray for the best.
Here you go. Cheers to the first bite.
Cheers.
Stop it, On. Add that much spice because like I don't like spice, and I added my own egg. So
My salad has avocado, feta cheese, romaine.
Spice is good.
The spice is good. It got chicken, a little bit of
I'm gonna go get my fork.
chips. Really. Oh, this is awesome.
I like it.
I'm gonna try some out of my mac and cheese. Aubrey's gonna help me with this.
No, I'm not.
Oh,
The egg is like perfect. It's not cooked all the way through, but it's like soft boiled. It's delicious. Trying to go for the traditional ramen noodles, but you know, this is our first mukbang,
I'm helping you eat.
cool.
We got a little helper here.
So, if you
How difficult
we
is here.
we can't see what we're doing, but
Oh, it's alright. So we have to pause it because the camera stopped working miraculously. It's back on.
no, not miraculously. I forgot to charge the battery. It was really good.
Yeah.
You got some limon?
What? Some? What?
Limon. You got limon?
Lemon?
Limon.
Lemon? What's that? Oh, lemon. Oh.
Lemon.
Lemon. You want lemon? Ho ho. Ho ho ho. This lady's the queen of lemon. Ow. Of lemon.
I put lemon on the weirdest things and they're like, what?
And like, I don't know about you guys, but I have such a weird thing when I eat. When I'm eating soft noodles like this, I have to have something crunchy. So I just, during the technical difficulty break, I got some Cheetos.
I got some Cheetos
Me
too.
too.
Oh God. Got some Cheetos. So, let me know if you guys really want me to glam Ashley like full beat, like.
Yeah, I definitely, Jen can do some amazing work. She's done plenty of my makeups when I had to go out, and I want her to do something crazy and wild.
I want to do something crazy and wild because everybody that I do the makeup on, they're like, something soft.
Yeah, and every time that she has done my makeup, it's been like,
Flawless.
yeah, flawless, but you know, for like formal occasions. But this time I want her to go like all out. Do whatever she wants.
I want to make her into a clown.
Whatever.
She hates clowns.
Mm-hmm.
I don't.
You don't? Your mommy does.
Nah, that was hysterical. My favorite part. Look at that egg in there. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh.
So we're gonna try to do a mukbang every week. I'm trying to keep it still a little healthy, but not really. But Ashley's my trainer, and we've been having some games.
Mm-hmm.
But
Definitely games.
we're going into it hard right now
Yeah.
because we got some things to accomplish. We gotta look good for the wedding, you know.
Yeah. Ooh. I didn't mix that very well. And I just got a spicy chili. So just be careful.
So what's up, Aubrey? How's school?
Good.
Aubrey just started a new school.
Actually, bad.
Why?
That kids.
Alright, so listen up. This is a big announcement. Bullying is uncool. And she just moved to a new school, and some, you know, kids have been giving her a hard time because she's new. But bullying is a serious thing, and if you know somebody or have somebody that's getting bullied, or yourself, please don't let it go unnoticed, because there's a lot of tragedies in the world because of bullying, and we want to make sure, you know, that awareness is out there. Okay, guys? But what? We don't let them haters get us down, right? Right?
No. They're just gonna be pretty like you are. That's the problem.
And I'm sorry for the background noise. My next door neighbor's dogs are in the backyard, and they never shut up. Never. So
They won't keep their mouth shut.
I need more lime in my life.
that's my mom.
Must be more.
I want to try some.
I'm probably gonna die from my ulcer or something.
Oh, is that creamy?
Yeah, try it.
Jen, you're eating cheese with lemon. It's like milk. It's gonna curdle.
My stomach is already churned. This is lime out me.
I don't care.
If there's not another mukbang video after this, you know why.
It's good. Are you my daughter? Well, I don't have to tell you that. Oh, look how it turned.
I told you it would curdle.
Okay.
It's like little chunks in there. And Jen said it's okay. She's still gonna put it on her salad. She's gonna go.
The more lime, the better for me.
Oh my goodness. I didn't think I could eat 4 packs of like.
Those are 4 packs. It doesn't look like it.
I know. I told you it was small. But Jesus. And normally I would be eating with, you know,
I help
chopsticks, but I don't have any at the moment. That's a big no-no. I will go and get some from my
What
job.
I have some?
You can juice me.
Oh, definitely.
Look at me.
What? Oh,
2 of these.
no.
Right.
That spice is still lingering in my mouth. Just give it a while. Oh Lord. Oh Lord.
That's it.
Listen, Linda.
Look.
So how was your day today?
See? Oh.
Crazy. I'm crazy. I don't know why though.
So Jen's been off her meds.
Look at her back. I'm crazy you out there.
Jen's been off her medicine for like a month,
No joke though.
and it's been like phenomenal. She is so hilarious at work. With the things she says, with the things she does, like, it is hilarious.
Yeah.
But anyhow, enough about us. How about you guys?
It's never enough about me.
That's true.
Yeah, that's really.
I'm the queen of the office. Well, I'm the princess. What are you actually?
Okay, so our manager, she's like the queen because she's been there for like,
Actually, I'm the princess.
she's been there for like
Princess number 2, sweetie.
15 years. Jen just calls herself the queen, but she's really the princess.
No. I didn't call myself the queen. Everybody started calling me the queen. And then, as I said, you know, there's only one queen in here. Here. And I was like,
I need a napkin.
yes, I know that's you.
Napkin.
Oh.
She's like, but you can use my title for the moment.
Who's this?
I was like, no, I'll just go down to princess.
But
And I've been happy there.
she's been happy there. But how did I go from, I don't know what I went to peasant?
You're my assistant.
More like your bitch.
We're gonna get demonetized. Psych, we're not even getting anything yet. Maybe one day. So guys, if you enjoy us together, definitely leave us a little comment down below. Like and subscribe, we really appreciate it.
Come on, Aubrey, say it. Like and subscribe.
We got goals to reach.
I put the good thumbs up.
The good thumbs up.
And look, guys, I never eat this much in one sitting usually because I'm just like up.
Because she ate that much because I helped her.
Yeah.
She eats like this throughout the day.
Yeah, I eat like little bites throughout the day, but like now I'm like, my God, I can't believe it's this much. But you know that last bite with that spice
Killed her.
killed me. It's like mingling in my mouth.
Should we say your biggest secret?
What's
About
my?
choking?
And if you ever got like, you know, see me like choking or, you know, turning red or anything in these videos because I'm choking and I leave the room for a second, don't worry.
Because I will help her. Because last time I was 3, I helped her when she threw
That's
up.
right, my daughter saved my life, but yeah.
Now 3 years old.
I have dysphagia and sometimes I really do choke. And I just need a minute to get it out. And if I don't come back within like 5 minutes, Jen will come and get me. Keep your noodles to yourself.
Have you tried this one? There we go. So I bought my gift already? What was it? Burberry?
Yeah. I went to the mall the other day and Jen's like, you know, has to have a Louis this, a Burberry.
Gucci.
So, Gucci. Feel free to send any gifts Jen's way for Christmas.
Oh, no.
Anyhow, I went to the, you know, fancy part of the mall where they have all the name brands lined up. And I did a little tease for her because I took a picture of the Burberry sign and I said, Merry Christmas, Jen. And her eyes lit up like, what? So, who knows, maybe she got something under the Christmas tree this year because she's such a good friend. But if you have any gift ideas for what to get Jen, comment below. I'll take your ideas and pick out the best one. And then I'll let you guys know which I picked out. And
What do you mean that you haven't got me anything?
I don't know, I got you something, but you know, if there's any other gift ideas. Now, Jen's a makeup queen, so she probably has every single makeup thing out there possible.
I just went to LA and I went to the Morphe store because we live in Jersey. And let me correct myself, New Jersey. She's a what are you? A Jersey girl. I'm actually a LA girl.
I was born and raised in Jersey. This one was born in LA. Sorry, excuse me.
So I can wear those shirts that say made in LA.
And Aubrey was born in Jersey as well.
Wow.
Wow. What? Here. Alright. Mukbang challenge for Aubrey. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. That was a good one. Good job.
Oh,
Watch your hair.
what food are we doing next time?
I don't know. Give us suggestions. What food?
Steak.
Steak?
Nah. My last mac and cheese noodle.
Yeah.
Anyway. Nope.
So let us know what you guys thought.
Wait, she has to burp.
She got a burp.
I got a burp.
Now.
Even though, like we said, gotta give us some ideas, some thoughts. I know it's not the professional one that we did today, but it's a start.
And we want to hear your feedback, no matter what. You gotta tell us.
These are my 2 favorite jams.
Look at Jen's balls. Okay, remember to like and subscribe and make sure that you give us your definite feedback on certain things. And we hope to hear back from you soon, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers.